1 minus -2 using the chips model. So I'm starting with 1 positive chip. And now they're asking me to take away 2 negative chips. The subtraction is take away. But I don't have any negative chips. So I could put negative chips in there. I'm going to say, okay, I need to take away 2 negative chips. So 2 negative chips, but I'm also going to put in 2 positive chips to cancel them out. So this was my 1 I started with, and really I've just added nothing because these cancel, right? So this all still represents just 1. And now I can take away these 2 negative chips. Take those away, and what's left is 3 positive chips. For the number line model, I'm going to start by going 1 unit forward. So I've got a person here still facing forwards. Okay, then a subtraction sign means turn around. So I'm going to redraw my person facing the other direction. And then -2 means move backwards 2. So I'm going to take 2 steps that way. And I'm going to land here at 3.